Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. Today we'll be making the best cupcakes, chocolate cupcakes. So you definitely want to stick around and check that out. Don't forget to give the video a like, and let's get started with our chocolate cupcakes. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is start to cream our butter for the cupcakes. Cream butter with the sugar. And that was 2 cups of sugar. Add it all in. Okay. And lock the mixer. Toss our eggs in there, one at a time. That was a good mix with the last egg. Oops. That was funny. That's not the off switch. Vanilla extract, we want 2 teaspoons. I like vanilla. Set up. Preheat the oven at 350. 3/4 of a cup of the unsweetened cocoa powder, the flour. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Butterfingers in the kitchen today. Yeah. Teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Mix it up. So we need 1.5 cups of milk. I'll show you what we're gonna do now. Slowly add kind of both of them to the mixture. And put the mixture on like a medium speed. And slowly start to add both of these in. Some milk. Always good to scrape the sides of the bowl. Okay. More of the mixture. Oh, I guess we should turn it on. Some more milk. Dry mixture. Some milk. Scrape the sides of the bowl again. And we should be able to toss the rest of the stuff in there. Slowly mix it up. If you go too fast, you'll have flour everywhere. Okay, let's toss the last bit of the milk in there. There's our cupcake batter. Oh yeah, this is like the best cupcake recipe. So scrape the sides of the bowl. It's good to do that. Because there's sometimes a little dry flour, but you definitely don't want to overmix it. As you can see, I have some cupcake tins. Those are really good. The cupcake little things. Cupcake cups. Toss them in there. I always use these. It's way easier, and you definitely won't get sticky cupcakes, and that's the best way to do cupcakes. All right. I knew I just didn't have the right tool. That's it. And give the video a like. Who doesn't like chocolate cupcakes? The best chocolate cupcakes. Okay, maybe a little bit messy chocolate cupcakes, but they're really good. A little messy. Oh well. Yeah. And if you notice you got a few little bits of stuff on the side, just take a little paper towel. Doesn't have to be perfect, but because they could burn if you don't take it off, wipe it off a little bit anyway. Oh my god, there's chocolate everywhere. Oh dear. Messy chocolate cupcakes. And And that was 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. And I'll show you the trick to know if they're done. Take it out of the oven. Just gonna take a toothpick and see if they're done, complete. Oh yeah, they're looking pretty good. Put the toothpick in, and if it pulls out and it's clean, you have very good cooked cupcakes. Okay, for cream cheese frosting, so we're gonna use the room temperature cream cheese. That's that in there. Room temperature butter is a 1/4 cup of 4 ounces of cream cheese, and you want the paddle attachment. Cream this up. This is 2.5 cups of icing sugar. Slowly add that in. Not all at once. A little bit at a time, and then our cocoa powder. We can toss all that in there. That's fine. Slowly add our icing sugar. Slowly mix it up. Slowly mix it up, or it'll have all this stuff everywhere. Toss the rest of our icing sugar there. Mix until nice and creamy smooth. It's funny, it seems like in the winter everything seems to be like a little colder, so that even the icing is a bit cold for some reason, but it seems warm in here, but you know, kind of how it goes, because room temperature isn't as warm as the summertime, so this is a bit colder. So cheese frosting, yummy. Nicely cooled off cupcakes. The best cupcakes, really, so delicious and so smooth. Can't wait to dig in. So yeah, so we'll give them a try after we put some nice icing frosting on them. I'll show you that. So all I did with our frosting is I just added probably about 4 tablespoons of milk, just to smooth it out a little bit because it seemed to be a little too dense. So a little trick, if that does happen, just add a little bit of milk and you're good. Oh yeah, that's way better. It'll work a bit better. Tricks of the trade. So sort of part of baking too. You got to be pretty flexible, and if something goes wrong, you got to know how to fix it. A little colder does happen, especially in Canada. Best cupcakes, they're so good. Yeah, feel those on top. Frosted cupcakes, the best cupcakes. I'm hungry. Dig in, eh? So good. Very delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. That was pretty cool. The best chocolate cupcakes. Thanks for watching, and definitely check out the rest of my channel. A ton of other videos to check out, so please do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.